Guys, in this video, you will learn how you can upload your files in your Google Drive directly and automatically from your Excel sheet. So guys, here you just have to connect your Microsoft Excel as the trigger application and Google Drive as the action application in the automation workflow. And after that, when you are done adding the details of the file links in your Excel sheet, in every 8 hours this automation is going to run and upload all your files in your Google Drive automatically. And you can set up this automation using Pabbly Connect very easily without any coding. Let me show you how. So guys, this is the landing page of Pabbly Connect and we have pasted the same link in the description as well. From here you can set up your free Pabbly Connect account by clicking on sign up free button and you will get free automation tasks to set up and test your automation. So you can sign up right now and then you have to log in to reach here on the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. And guys, here you have to click on this create workflow button and here you can give a suitable name to this workflow as well. So I'm giving the name here as MS or Microsoft Excel to Google Drive automation. Okay. So after giving the name, just click on this create button and you can see your workflow page is getting ready. And here you will find these two modules, the trigger and the action. So with the help of these two things, we are going to build this automation. So here the trigger is that event which is going to trigger or start this workflow, and the action would be the response towards the trigger. So trigger event is going to happen in the trigger application. So our trigger application is Microsoft Excel. So from this choose app fields, you have to search for Microsoft Excel. Here it is selected. Okay. And in the actions tab, you have to choose Google Drive. Here it is. Okay. And guys, the trigger event would be a new row added in the worksheet that you have. So in my worksheet, I'm going to add a new row in which I'm going to add the details of the file link and the file name. And in every 8 hours, this workflow is going to run and upload all the file links that I have added in my Excel sheet to my Google Drives folder. Okay. So for that to happen, first of all, we need to connect these applications here. So click on connect button and from here select add new connection, then click on connect with Microsoft Excel. And from this window, you have to provide some access to Pabbly Connect. So if you are not logged in, it might ask you to log in first. Okay, then after that you can give the required access. Just click on yes here and you will be connected with your Excel. So guys, let me show you my Excel file. This is my live Excel sheet that I have created and uploaded in my OneDrive account. Okay. And here I have added the file's name and the link of the file. So guys, let's say that you want to save the record of all the media files that you have uploaded in your WordPress website or any other website or on social media. So what you have to do, you just have to go there and you have to copy the link of your files like this and paste it here in the file link section. Okay. And here you can provide the file names as well. Okay. And after adding that, you have to connect Microsoft Excel here and you have to choose the workbook's name. So it will show you the list of all your workbooks. My workbook's name is this, files. Okay, so you will find your workbook's name like this, files. Okay, just select it. And then it will ask for the sheet's name. So I only have one sheet here named as sheet 1. So it got auto selected here like this. Okay. Now when you click on save and send test request, the data of the most recent row or the last row that you have added here in your Excel sheet will be fetched here as the test data. Okay, let me show you. I'm clicking on save and send test request and you will see that the data of this last row will be fetched here like this. You can see the data got fetched. Here it is showing the name first, the file's name, and this is the file's link. Okay. Now guys, we want to upload this file in my Google Drive in a folder. So for that, the action event here would be this, upload a file. So select upload a file option here, then click on connect, and from here select add new connection, then click on connect with Google Drive, and from here you have to select that Google account by which you are accessing that drive. Then you have to provide some additional access to your Google account, so just click on continue and you will be connected with Google Drive like this. You can see we are now connected. Here it is asking for the file's URL, and here we have this file size limit. You cannot upload a file size greater than 50 MB here, okay? And here you have to enter the folder ID, the ID of that folder in which you want to upload the files, and the file's name. And you have to put the file's name with the file extension. That means the format of the file. So if you are uploading MP4 file, you have to put the file's name like this, video1.mp4. Okay, so guys, we have received the test data here from my Excel sheet in which we got the file name and the file link. Okay, and the format of this file is JPEG. Okay, this is the format. So I have to mention the format here in the file name section, but you can see in file name we got just the name, not the format. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to split this format from this link by using a feature of Pabbly Connect. Let me show you. Just click here on this plus icon in between the steps, and another action step will open up. And from here, I'm going to search for text formatter feature of Pabbly Connect. Search for text formatter. And here I'm going to use the action event as split text option. And with the help of this, I'm going to split this JPEG word from this link. Let me show you. Just click on connect here. And now it is asking which text you want to split. So just click here and it will show you the previous step in the drop down, the trigger step. And when you click here, it will show you all the data that you have received as the test data. From here, just map this file's link. Okay, and here it is asking this separator. So it is asking from which word or string or integer you want to separate the text. So guys, I want to separate this JPEG format from this dot here. Okay, so I'm going to use this dot as the separator. So just put dot here, dot mark. Okay, and here it is asking which segment index you want to split out. This means that you want the first part, or you want the second part, or the last part. So we have first, second, last, second to last, all option. I am selecting here last or second, whatever. You can use both of these options, second or last. I'm selecting last. So the last part would be fetched out here. Let me show you. Just click on save and send test request. All right, and this result table, you can see we got the files format. Okay, so now we can map the format here. So you just have to click here. Okay, so when I'm clicking here, you can see it is not showing the previous steps because we have added one more step before this step. Okay, so you have to refresh the connection with Google Drive here. So just click on connected one more time, and from here keep this existing connection option selected, and then you have to click on save one more time and you will be connected again. Okay, like this. Now click here and you can see it starts showing the previous steps. So from this first step, map the files link in the URL field in the folder ID. Okay, so guys, here you have to put the ID of your Google Drive's folder. Okay, so for that you have to open your Google Drive. This is my Google Drive and this is the folder in which I want to save the files, named as Excel files. And here you can see in the top search bar, this is the link of our Google Drive. So here in the last part after this slash, this is the folder ID. Okay, so let me show you. I'm just copying this whole link right now, and I'm going to paste the link here so that you can clearly see. Here you can see this is the example of the link. So after folders and the slash, the last part here is the folder ID. So you just have to paste this folder ID here in this field. So I'm removing the extra things. Just remove the extra things, and this is the folder ID that we want, right? And in the file name field, guys, you have to use the previous steps in which I have splitted the files format. So just click here, and from this first step, map the file's name first. Okay, and now you have to put the extension with a dot. So just put a dot here, and from the second step, map the format. Okay, that's how you can map the data. So guys, when you map the data like this in these steps, what will happen after setting up this automation, whenever you are going to add any file here, files link here in this Excel sheet, these labels are going to be updated, and a new file link and the new file name will be generated, and a new file will be delivered here in your Google Drive. Okay, and you can check the connection with Google Drive by clicking on save and send test request, and this test file will be uploaded here in this folder. Let me show you. I am clicking on save and send test request here, and this is the response we have received. Okay, let's check in my drive if we got a new file, and here you can see we got a new file uploaded here automatically. The name is pexelpic.jpeg. This is the same file this is the same name I have mapped here. You can see pexelpic.jpeg. okay, and a new file is created here, and you can check this is the same file that I have had in my Excel. Let me show you. Okay, this is the same file that we have here in Excel. It got uploaded here in Google Drive. So this is how it is going to work, guys. So we are done setting up this automation, and you have to set up this automation only once. After that, you don't have to do anything manually in the workflow. After that, whenever you are going to add the details of any file here in your Excel sheet, our workflow is going to run in background, and you will get the same file uploaded here in your Google Drive automatically. And guys, if you want to use this workflow, you can use it, because I'm going to paste the link of this same workflow in the description, and you can clone it in your own free Pabbly Connect account and start using this automation instantly. Guys, thank you so much for watching our video, and please let us know how our automation ideas are helping you in the comment section. And if you have any queries related to this application, please ask your queries from this forum link, and do check the pricing of this application from this link. And guys, we are open to ideas. If you want us that we should make videos on other aspects of your business, please do let us know in the comment section. And if you like our work, please subscribe to our channel.